Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Like, share, and subscribe, and don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Okay, so Tesla. well, we let's talk about divergence first. Uh, Last Thursday we had higher prices on lower volume. Friday we had 57 million shares bought and sold, and it was lower volume on higher prices again, and that's a warning that we're probably going to get a dip or run sideways at the very least, and we've been doing that. Uh, Now, today we had uh, lower prices and um, higher volume. 64 million shares. Now, keep in mind the average daily with Tesla is 90.5 approximately for the trading volume. And so 64 million, although it was higher on lower prices, is still pretty low. But, Tesla is going to snap. and I put that in the heading. It's going to snap. We have been running sideways big time. But we have a weird death cross here. And this is only the 30 minutes, so I don't put a whole lot of stock in it. But the 50 and the 200 moving average ran together uh, from 11 a.m. all the way till after hours. And then what's strange is the 50 started climbing above the 200, which in a death cross, it should go down below it. Um, so, it could be just the indication that we're moving sideways temporarily here for a little bit. As far as the open tomorrow, I believe Tesla's going to open right, almost smack dab right on 190, 197. I mean, and in my previous live stream where I said 217, let me show you the chart here. Where this cross right here is 217, and $100 less than that is 117, not 217, like Grandpa says. So, but usually we get approximately $50 out of that, out of a death cross in 4 hour. It's going to be fun to see what we get. Currently, we've got oh, 17 and 12, 19, 29. We've got about $29 out of it already. It could be pretty much played out, pretty close already. Anyway, I believe that the smart money is buying down here 180, 190, 189, 190, 191 area, and I think they're buying into. I think we're going to get a bounce. Um, Today, I thought we were going to go to 202, 203, maybe as high as 207, 209. Uh, I think it might be tomorrow. I think Grandpa was a day off. I could be wrong. Um, I think very likely they might make a real hard try at 190 again to get everybody off the table, and so that they can get some more shares going long. I think near term, we're looking at maybe that 215 area, um, retrace some, and head for the 240, 265 range again before she settles down. Who knows? It's speculation. Um, but yeah, Tesla is going to snap. All right, well, I got you in this one. I'm going to show you how tight we've been running. Just 190 to 202 area, just back and forth, leaning towards the top side. I think we're going to get a dip, and off we go. That's really what I'm seeing. I could be wrong. I could be right. But I'm in the money. I plan on taking profits. I got my bottom at 189.70 currently, and I'll be really happy if it fills. And take all I can do not to move it up some and give up some of Grandpa's profits. But so, yeah, we're low volume, but that can change in a heartbeat with this stock. The only thing is this crazy war. If Iran attacks in a big way and draws us in, we sent a nuclear sub over there now. We got fighter jets over there now in the Middle East. If in support of Israel, if this thing escalates, we're going to get a drop in the market for a day or two, and it could be that 149 area. We currently have a sell signal in the 4-hour. The hourly is absolutely, the hourly is a buy signal, but that's we're after hours here. Let's look at what we did in the daily. I'm curious what we did in the daily. We're absolutely moving sideways. We did get pushed back pretty hard off this 181 area. And boy, I tell you what, she looks like she may turn and head north. Technically we do have a buy signal in this daily, but it's a sick looking buy signal. I mean, it's hard to call it it could go either way. I just can't even call it. But on the other hand, I just don't even know myself. It's hard when she runs sideways. All you know for sure is it's gonna snap like a rubber band, and we're gonna see $20 one way or the other. And you want to be on the right side of it. I think that if we get down to 190, I think she's going to snap, and you're going to see 210 pretty quick. I'm turning bullish here over the next, coming up into October, November. Here we have the weekly. It's still a sell signal. This candle is only 1 day old, so we just don't know what it's going to do yet, but it'd be nothing for it to go to the 190. That could be wick, just wick going to 189. That's really where the smart money wants to do their buying, in the 189 area. 189 to 185 is what they really like. And then off to the races. Okay, well, let's see. We can look at the monthly for all the good it'll do, Grandpa. You know, this thing is a week old, this candle here. We got this trend line here. Where are we at? We're at 220. By the time she's gonna have a battle getting through that 221. But we very likely are going to go up and bounce off of it again. Look how we bounced off of it over time. So, that's all I know about that. I don't think I was probably very helpful for you, but low volume. I'm looking for a very short-term dip. I think tomorrow could be the next day. I mean, they can run sideways for a long time, just unbelievably long. I'm going to make this thing smaller. I'm going to go back to the 4 hour. If I can figure out what I'm doing. I mean, look how long they ran in the 170, 180 range. And they ran a long time in the 180 to 190 range also. They just love the trade between 170 and 180. And actually 170 and 190. This range here has got a lot of the buying of Tesla in it, I'll tell you that. But yeah, I think they're going to try for the 185. The smart money is going to be buying everything everybody gives up at that point, and I think we're going to head for 221 area. It's 225 on this chart on the 4 hour. 224. So 221, 224, 225 area, I think is going to be possibly in our near future. And once we get up here and bounce off of 221 or 225, wouldn't surprise me to see it come right back to the 150 area, 149, and bounce off that. Play the corners. If Grandpa was smart, he'd do just that. But Grandpa ain't that smart. Don't worry about that. Okay, good luck. It's gonna snap. I just don't know for sure when. She's low volume. It's weak. But we got PPI coming out, I believe, pre-market at 8:30 tomorrow morning, and that could give us the catalyst to get us down to that 180, 190, 185 area, and once they get over scaring everybody to death, we could see our rebound. So once they get their shares down there, they're going to run it. They're going to run it up. They're going to make money. Okay, think about eternity. Grandpa does. See you later.